Welcome to the Puppy Olympics. Here they come, ready, for more going to attack. How they got it, I'm going strong, I'm starting strong. And we're climb, ready to get on top of the wall. He's got going someone to actually really. This is the safe spot. This is going to be the top of the world. And he makes a comeback forward. The ball also on Madison Super Bowl. You got this. You're ready. You're at 360 spins now. Oh, you're push. More 360 spins. And we have a winner.